Welcome to ZTrust. In today's application-driven world, securing access is critical, but integration shouldn't be complicated. In this video, we will walk through how to integrate your application with ZTrust and how ZTrust simplifies the entire process using ready-to-use code snippets and clear step-by-step guidance. Let's get started. First, log into the ZTrust Admin Console. The Admin Console is where administrators manage authentication, applications, and security policies across the organization. Once logged in, click on Manage Realm. Here, you can select the realm or business group where you want to configure your application. This allows ZTrust to support multi-tenant and multi-environment setups, such as development, staging, and production, all managed independently. Next, navigate to the Client section. Clients represent the applications that will use ZTrust for authentication and authorization. You will notice that some default clients are already available. If your application is already registered, just select the client from the list and open the Integration Guide. Inside the Integration Guide, ZTrust provides support for multiple application platforms and frameworks. You can easily choose the platform you're working with and follow the recommended setup. For example, let's look at how to integrate a React.js application. ZTrust provides complete integration steps, including authentication configuration, redirect and callback setup, and copy-paste ready code snippets. You simply follow the steps and add the code to your React application. If you are working with a back-end application like Spring Boot, the process is just as simple. Switch to the Spring Boot Integration Guide, where ZTrust walks you through dependency setup, security configuration, token validation, and session handling. This ensures your back-end services are securely protected and fully integrated with ZTrust. Why ZTrust integration is easy? With ZTrust, application integration is fast, minimal setup time, simple, guided steps and reusable snippets, developer-friendly, works with modern frameworks and architectures. No complex configuration, no guesswork, just secure, reliable integration.